Hi everybody, my name is Rob Dykema. We're here at SoundOff Signal, a leading manufacturer of LED warning lights based here in Hudsonville, Michigan in the USA, where our primary focus is to protect those who serve. Let's take a closer look at the Apex light bar from SoundOff. It's on the table here in front of me. It's an exciting product, exciting light bar. It's relatively new to SoundOff. And we've taken the things that have worked well in the Pinnacle light bar and the ETL 5000 light bar and incorporated into the Apex as well. You see, this is a 48-inch bar. You look online, you can see the different options for length. We go smaller than this, and we go obviously much larger than this as well. I believe the longest Apex bar, you can get all the way up to 76 inches long. So just a monster of a light bar. It's modular, like its predecessors, individually sealed and watertight, so each one of these modules plugs into the board and they can be easily replaced if you need to replace the individual modules. You've got aluminum bottom and aluminum top cover, just like the ETL 5000 and the Pinnacle light bar. The corners of the Apex have 24 LEDs each, 12 pointing to the front, 12 pointing to the rear. Very good fusion optic off-angle visibility, and these end caps are individually sealed and watertight. They also incorporate an alley light, which has 4 LEDs in it, and it's pointed at a 15-degree forward-facing angle, but it actually encompasses straight out 90 degrees all the way to the front of the bar. You can actually see the alley lights. With the alley light facing straight out and also incorporating light all the way to the front of the light bar, there's a scene light takedown option that you can incorporate in the front of the bar, which then gives you 180 degrees of light output from the alleys to the takedowns to the takedowns to the alley, all the way across the front of the light bar, 180 degrees of white lighting. Okay, so that's a little bit different than your standard takedowns that you see on most light bars of the day. So the thing that really separates the Apex from the rest of the field, however, is the shape of the bar. And this bar was designed to be very efficient and to help with fuel economy by being shaped like a wing or a spoiler. If you look at the front of this bar, it's got a leading front edge and then a trailing rear edge. So when it really cuts through the wind and it doesn't create that drag that you have with some of the larger light bars on the market today. The cool part about the modules is they are angled, that is true, but you can use the front modules on this bar, flip them over, and they become the rear modules on the back of the bar. So very cool, exciting new changes for the light bar market here with the Apex. Like I said, this is the 48-inch bar. It wires up just like the other bars that are available from SoundOff. You've got power, you've got ground, you've got a breakout box with a data cable, and all those are 15 feet long, so you got plenty of room to hook them up in the console of the vehicle or in the trunk. So let's light it up and take a look at it. This is a red and a blue version. It also has the takedowns in the center, and you'll see it flashing here. You can control the red and the blues separately. You can turn on the front of the bar by itself or the rear of the bar. You can control the takedowns separately, and they can also be steady burned. All the features and functions and benefits that you'd expect from a fully functional bar. It is 5-year warranty. It is manufactured in Hudsonville and made in the USA, and very excited to show it to you today. So appreciate you watching.